morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. We have hot water again. Dependable handyman services. We have used them many times. They did it again and they did a fantastic job. Efficiently, friendly. Yeah, just shout outs to Dependable. Great guys. I'm just going to say this. If you know, you know. Day 30. Enough. All right. Last night, I prepared a simple pasta dish because I had a meeting about 5:30. So I did an Asian-inspired garlic noodles. Or actually, it was pasta. Get rid of the glare. It was really good. Simple, quick. It took longer to boil the water than to do yeah. So tonight I'm going a little different. Something a little different for me. And this is, I'm reading my notes here, Garlic Shrimp Gratin. Oh, yeah, shrimp, cheese, breadcrumbs. You got it. Before we get to that, I'd like to go over what I'm doing for next week. Let's see here. Let me grab my notes. Sunday, Robin and I are going on a date. It's our anniversary. Yes. Should be fun. She's planning it. So on Monday, I'm doing a corn chowder. Oh, I love corn chowder. And Tuesday, grilled pastrami sandwiches. And then a beef chow fun. It's the only time the wok's being used during the week. And then I'm doing breakfast for dinner, which will consist of eggs, probably scrambled, link sausage, and potatoes O'Brien. Oh, yum. And see here. Friday, because I have another meeting, it will be Red Baron Pizza, 4 cheese. Love it. Yum, yum, yum. And then Saturday, chili dogs with fries. Yes. So that's next week. My voice is just... I'm getting over this cold. So I think that's affecting what's going on in my vocal cords here. I haven't done this much voice changing since I was a teenager. All right, let's get to tonight's dinner. I got a little bit of a sauce pot for some veggies I'm going to do with this as a side. A baking dish for the shrimp. So I've got a pound. These are 41.50 frozen shrimp, which I will clean a little bit later. They're still a little frosted, but we know how to take care of that. Of course, there's going to be some garlic, a little bit of olive oil for the garlic, some butter also. The sauce is pretty basic. Heavy cream, Parmesan, chicken stock, and there's going to be a nice layer of mozzarella cheese, some breadcrumbs, and probably put some more Parmesan on top of that. The seasonings are pretty simple. A dried oregano and our good old smoked paprika from the local spicery in Marysville, California. Of course, kosher salt and black pepper. So all those yummies for the gratin. And I'm going to do one of my favorites, a simple carrot and peas for side. I'm not going to do a protein. I got enough proteins this week. Or not, I'm sorry, not proteins, carbohydrates. I've had enough carbs this week between all the pasta and noodles and rice. So yeah, I'm just kind of showing you around. I need another cup of coffee, and it's waiting for me. So on this Saturday, the wind picked back up. Yeah, I'm whining. So on this, wait. Proofreading is basically done. I'm talking Soup Symphony now. Proofreading is basically done. We're still waiting on one set of notes. But I have a chart. Of course, you know me. It's green, yellow, and white. The sections. A lot of yellow, a lot of green. Yellow means completed. Green means in progress, which means more than just started. And just a little bit of white. The white section is basically inserting the recipes after proofread. I have some of the recipes already inserted, but we're talking the main bulk, the main of it. I worked on it diligently yesterday. That's why you don't see a lot of posts from me during the day, is because I'm busy working on Soup Symphony. I also encourage you to go out and purchase. Recipes are just guidelines. It's still available, and it will be available. But yes, go ahead. Remember, the profits go to a good cause. Not just, I'm not profiting from this. So, on this Saturday, which is supposed to be really nice, according to Bob Harlan's weather report yesterday, he doesn't do weather reports on weekends. He's kind of retired, kind of. On this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.